Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these 3 different unique DIY home decors using Dollar Tree items. The first one we're gonna make is a jewelry holder, and what you're gonna need is one of these shelves from a Dollar Tree, as well as some building blocks and one of the gold baskets. As you can see, all you're going to do is just add 2 of the building blocks on either corner of your shelf. Then you're going to add some E6000 glue onto your wire basket, and you're going to go ahead and put that onto your shelf. And just hold it there until it's dry. You can also add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that it sticks while that E6000 is drying. Then you're going to go ahead and spray paint it any color you want. I decided to spray paint mine gold. Once it's all completely dry, you're going to add some of these tile mirrors. And I got these tile mirrors off of Amazon. And you can easily just score it and cut it, and then you're just going to glue it onto the bottom of the shelf just so you won't see the building blocks. And you can see I just used some hot glue for this, and then you're just going to go ahead and add those pieces of mirror at the bottom, and then you add your jewelry, and then you have it, a unique jewelry holder that you can place anywhere in your bathroom, on your dresser, anywhere. I even added some perfume onto mine, but this is the way it looks once it's all complete. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to actually make a rustic boho style, I guess you can even say farmhouse style vase. And what you're going to do is just go ahead and grab any style of vase you want from Dollar Tree, a thrift store, or one you already have, and just paint it all white. And I gave it 1 coat of white paint, and then I let that semi-dry. But if you can and you're not as anxious as I am, just go ahead and let it completely dry before you add your second coat. And for the second coat, you're going to see that I'm going to go ahead and add some baking soda because I want to give it that texture look on my vase. I love using the baking soda technique just to give it more of that textured rustic look, and plus it also adds more of that high quality look to whatever you're making. So again, just add some baking soda. You can add as much as you want or as little. Actually, I think I added a little bit too much for the size of vase, but it still worked out. So just go ahead, add your baking soda, and just eyeball, add your paint. I would say equal parts is a lot better than what I did, but go ahead and just mix it up until it's like a paste paint style, and then you're just going to go ahead and brush that onto whatever vase or project that you're making. So once it's well mixed, just go ahead and start brushing it onto your DIY. And I just gave it 1 coat of the baking soda and paint mixture onto my vase, and then I let this one completely dry before I went on to the next step. And like you can see, I painted mine white just to give it more of that rustic neutral look, but you can paint it any color you like. Let me know in the comments below, what color would you be painting your vase? So once your vase is completely dry, it's going to look like this, and then you can decorate it or arrange it any way you like. I'm going to use some of this nautical rope to make handles on either side of my vase, and I just added some hot glue to connect and attach the rope to my vase. And then I'm just going to wrap some more rope, nautical rope, around the top part of my vase. And if you don't feel comfortable just using hot glue, you can also use some permanent glue along with your hot glue to add the rope around your vase. But I'm comfortable with just my using hot glue on my vases. So just go ahead and wrap that rope around as many times as you want. I wrapped it around 2 times, I believe, on top, and then once on the bottom part of my vase. Then I just grabbed my lighter and just kind of cleaned up the rope just to get rid of all that extra little pieces of hair that's on there. But you can just leave it as is if you want to as well. And there you have it, an adorable rustic boho style vase. And for the last DIY, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these pool noodles, and I'm just going to make a knot with the pool noodle just by easily just making that knot in the middle and just adjusting it until I got it nice and tight the way I want it to. But you can leave it loose if you want it to as well. Once I got the knot the size I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and cut that extra pool noodle on either side of my knot. Then once I was done shaping it, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it. And I spray painted just a natural brown color, and then I used texture spray paint on top of that to give it more of that ceramic look. And this is a texture spray paint that I used. And this is the way it looks once it was all complete. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.